How to check in on trip.com. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll teach you how to check in on trip.com. So like you know, trip.com is basically about airline or aircraft trips. So if you're going to travel by air, trip.com is a good website where you can use to arrange your flight, book your flight, and just fix everything regarding your flight. Okay, so once you're logged in on the interface, at the top left corner you're going to see the trip.com logo, and close to it you see the search box. Here you can search out whatever information pertaining to flight, hotel, trains, destinations, and so on. At the top left corner you see the help icon, you see the USD icon, you search for currency, you see my bookings icon, you see your profile icon, then you see the trip coins icon. So there are other things that you can see on the home page. You can see hotel, so you can see you can click on hotel if you want to do anything related to hotel. You see flights, you see trains, you see cars, attractions and tours, bundle and save, and so many things already that you're going to see. You can scroll down the page to have an overview. Here you're going to see several advertisements displayed on the home page. Also, you see pictures of hotels with their reviews and their ratings with their prices attached to them. So you can just scroll down on the home page to have an overview of what trip.com is all about. So now, to check in on trip.com, at the top left corner of your screen you're going to see, just below the trip.com logo, you see hotels. Then the next option after hotel is flight. You just basically click on flight, then you have to wait for the flight page to load. Okay, so the flight page you have to load here. It's like it's loading already. So here already you see a long white box showing you where you're going to, the airports that you're going to depart from. Then the next option is the destination airport. Now the next box is for departure and returning. So now to check in, all you have to do is to go to the upper part of your screen, okay, where you see hotels. Hotels is just before flights. So you click on hotels, then you wait for the page to load. Okay, so now the page has loaded. The long you see the long box, the long white box. Here the first thing you're going to, first section here is for destination. So once you type in your destination, you move to the next box. The first thing you're going to see at the top of the next box is check-in. So here you have to click on it for a calendar to be displayed on your screen. Now on the calendar you are going to input the date that you want to check into that particular hotel. Okay, so just check the date and make sure you choose the right date. So once you've chosen the right date, you continue with the other options like the checkout option, then the room and guests option also. So once you're done with that, you click on search to search the particular hotel that will be available on the particular day that you're checking in. So this is basically how to check in on trip.com. It's very simple. So just go ahead and try it out. So thank you.